Hey, my youth, you know where you watch? Dance
rough, you know? John, life rough out there. Another same share that I'm gonna use back in other people's head. Look, people, this video I look at right here so beside me, you see me? It is not really a laughing matter, you know. And to be honest, this video went viral on social media, online, where people actually find it funny. You see it? So, me I present this video to you for sure about personal hygiene and the liberty we take as some people because of the whole personal hygiene situation. Some people just not get it. At that I realize it's like some people just not really see for themselves that something is wrong with the way how them take care of themselves and so forth. You see me? That's one I think. You see me? Yes, would I like to ask people them to be lenient upon them, not try to disrespect them, but sometimes when the hygiene kick, you can't help it. You see me? Yes, sometimes the odor can be very strong. Sometimes the odor is so strong, even your eye them burn you. You don't even know what to do. You see me I say? So personal hygiene, yeah. Did you know say that the breath, did you know that if you don't take care of your breath, like your mouth and brush your teeth, you know say that same thing can contribute to heart disease. You see me? Alright, cool. So anyways, you don't know, I two video me there I present too, no? You see me I said here. The second video I'm gonna show me just really have to wonder if I the rum attack or what. Because this man say I pray for this man, but me don't know if I pray that or what, because this sound like disrespect to me. You see me? So here what now. Before I play this video for you, I want to just remember, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button and let me know what you think if you like how we present the videos to you. As always, so here is a video I'm gonna show you with a man saying I pray for this man. Alright? Listen carefully. You see me? Because this must be the rum attack. Or what? Personal hygiene and the liberty we can take of you. Observe.
And this man, oh God, yes. Lord, Son, oh Father, hallelujah, yes. Hello, somebody. What's that? Go on, Lord. Hallelujah, Mama. Lord, Son, yes. This man is not here. You're frozen. Another man, God.